They are your local experts in orthopedic and sports medicine and rheumatology.
Orthopedic and Sports Medicine Specialists, or OSMS, our newest member of our team of experts.
Darren Schumacher is Marketing and Development Manager. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, so happy to have you on board. Introduce us, for starters, to OSMS. Who are you guys?
Yeah, so OSMS is a doctor-owned orthopedic, sports medicine, rheumatology, and pain management practice. We serve northeastern Wisconsin and Michigan's Upper Peninsula, and we have 6 different clinic locations, as far south as Oshkosh, as far north as Marinette. And even though we're doctor-owned, we accept most insurance plans, and we have a 98% patient satisfaction rating.
Wow.
Well, we're excited that OSMS will be part of the local experts team for the next year. What can we expect from your experts?
Yeah, so we're thrilled to be part of this. This is outstanding. But what viewers can expect is each month one of our doctors will be talking about whether it's a rheumatic disease or arthritis is a huge topic, even different types of procedures like ACL reconstruction or joint replacement, even things like when do you make an appointment? You know, most of us do live with some type of pain, especially as we get older, and we don't know always when to make that appointment, and so our doctors will help us answer that question.
And just to put a plug in, if you miss one on the air for any reason, they will all be on our website under that local experts page. But Darren, do we need a referral to see a doctor at OSMS?
So that's a question we get a lot, and actually most insurance plans do not require a referral for orthopedic, sports medicine, or pain management care. So what that means is that if your elbow hurts, your hand, your foot, your ankle, hip, whatever it is, you don't have to go to your primary care provider to go then get a referral. You know, something hurts, go to the specialist right away. Go to an OSMS specialist right away. We'll get you in, we'll get your answers right away, we'll get them to you quickly and get you on the way to healing.
Well, speaking of, I saw that you have a walk-in clinic. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 at our Neenah or Green Bay locations. You can walk in with a new injury or maybe hobble in or whatever it is, and you actually see a doctor without an appointment. So that's very different than a lot of other places. So if you want to get your answers right away, come in, see that doctor, and it's charged as a regular office visit as if you had an appointment. So there's no emergency or urgent upcharge. In fact, a lot of times it's up to a 94% savings compared to an emergency room. A really quick story about my wife. So years back, she broke her ankle walking our dog in the morning, and we weren't aware of OSMS at the time. So we went to a walk-in or a health systems walk-in or urgent care, and they gave her a boot, did an x-ray, sent us on our way and said we had to schedule with an orthopedic surgeon. Well, 4 days later, we saw the orthopedic surgeon. Had we walked into the OSMS Acute Injury Clinic, we would have seen that doctor right away. We would have known exactly what we were dealing with, and we would have had our treatment plan, probably would have had surgery scheduled by the time we walked out of the building, and saved us a ton of time, also given us peace of mind.
Yeah, great story. Well, we also see that one of your surgery centers was rated as America's best. What can you tell us about that?
So first, let me take a step back, because I think when people see an orthopedic surgeon, they think I'm going to have surgery. We actually operate on less than 30% of our patients, so we exhaust all the other options before surgery is actually necessary. Another thing we're really proud of with our surgery centers is combined we have a 0.15% postoperative infection rate. So to give you and your viewers a little perspective on that, the average surgery center postoperative infection rate is 0.85%. The average hospital postoperative infection rate is about 2.5%. So you're more than 16 times likely to get a postoperative infection somewhere or at a hospital versus an OSMS surgery center, and more than 6 times likely to get one at the average surgery center compared to our surgery center. So, and we were just rated one of America's best, and Newsweek came out with their list of America's best surgery centers. Our Green Bay Surgery Center made that list, and 9 surgery centers in Wisconsin made the list. We were the only ones in northeastern Wisconsin to be named America's best.
Congratulations on that. We look forward to learning so much more about your team through this partnership. What an asset to the community, and now our team of local experts. As mentioned, OSMS has locations in Green Bay, Marinette, Neenah, and Oshkosh.
To make an appointment, call 920-430-8113. You can also do that online and learn much more at osmsgb.com. And don't miss a local experts segment at all. They will all be on that section of wearegreenbay.com. Thanks, Darren.
Thank you.